Well, we're back at Uncle Keith's Paintshop, and this is a Fiesta St that's had a little bit of a taste. As you can see, that's not supposed to be like that, guys. It's not supposed to be like that. So we've got to sort this out and get it looking absolutely fantastic again. So we shall come back when Keith's ready to let us film a little bit of summit. Let's see if we can't transform it. Get it back on the road.
Quite a good mess.
It has made quite a good mess, Keith. Have you got your work cut out for you or what? So what actually has got to be painted, Keith? Is it a bumper? Is it a wing?
Oh yeah, we've got a new wing.
So we've got a new wing to go on.
That's tainted, look at that.
Yeah, it looks pretty...
There's not a lot.
Pretty miserable. Speaking of pretty miserable, you alright, Jeno?
What? What do you mean?
Yeah, that's tainted, that one.
New wing out the back.
That one's done. So we've got a new wing out the back. Have we got to paint anything else? Bit of bumper?
Yeah, repair pan bumper is a bit scuffed on that side.
Bit of a scuffage.
I don't think he's out of shape. I just think he's got some...
Oh, we got an alloy to paint?
2 wheels.
2 wheels to paint.
2 wheels. We've got to try and find a colour. Rado grey or whatever.
Oh, okay.
Red line.
Yeah. Okie dokie.
There's a few different Fiesta St wheel colours, so I've got to... I'm hoping to put the camera on it and the camera will tell me what it is.
Yeah, I'm sure the camera will tell us. That's what the technology's for, isn't it?
We need a nice flat spoke for that though.
A flat spoke?
It might go on there actually.
Yeah, I'd say so.
That like diamond piece there.
Yeah.
It might sit on there.
Yeah.
If they were flat, that'd be nice because you could just sit it on the.
Yeah, I suppose it has got to be flat for the camera to work properly, hasn't it? It's got to capture all of it.
Yeah, you've got to be able to get the camera in. If it lifts up and sees light, it won't.
Yeah, it'll
take a reading, yeah.
Oh, okay, well, we'll check back with you in a while then, my friend. In a while, crocodile.
We've seen that, didn't we?
Yeah, so we've seen this is where we've got. This is the new wing. Right, so explain.
Now this is slightly different because apparently I've just spoke with Richard and basically the quote is to repair the corner of the bumper.
Okay, so we're not painting the full, but we're repairing
We're
it.
not doing the full bumper, we're doing the corner. So on previous videos you'd have seen we do the whole lot, we prime the whole lot. This is slightly different. We're passing the saving on to the customer by just doing the corner.
Sure, okay.
Rather than doing, all the
I got you.
on the whole bumper. So we can pass exactly that. Pass the saving on to the customer and just do the corner.
Okay.
That's
the damage bit.
In the accident.
Yeah. Okie dokie.
I don't think the compressor's on. 1 second.
Oh, he's going to put the compressor on. We love our Uncle Keith, don't we? So it's had a little bit of a tasty taste, as you can see.
That'll probably work better now.
Oh, I would imagine it will, mate, yeah. So we're just primering this up. Here he comes. Primer in the gun.
This is a faster primer, made for smaller areas. So what we can do is put one coat on, then go straight over with a second coat.
Okay.
So
Are you sponsored by J-Tape?
Yeah. They pay my wages now.
All right. Well, let's see if we can't get J-Tape.
There's a J-Tape everywhere.
Yeah, I want J-Tape everywhere. Yeah. Okay.
And they give us one free roll of masking tape per year.
That's nice. Okay. Hey. Never look a gift horse in the mouth. I can't even say that.
I think we had to buy it.
Oh, did we? We bought that. Okay. All right.
Somewhere down the line we paid for it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that action. explain why you've not quite gone to the edge?
Yeah, but basically what you don't really want to do is you don't want to go right to the edge, because if you go right to here, you'll end up with a line.
Yeah.
And then if you're not careful, if you don't prime it and feather that out properly, when you mate it, you might be able to see a line of your primer.
Because it'll be a build-up.
Yeah, that's right. You're putting to a dead stop.
Yeah.
So what you really want to do is set your masking further away than where you want to prime, and just let the overspray just drift to it. If you want it to prime there, then really you want to mask
I got you.
further back. But all we're trying to do is freshen up this corner.
Yeah. Okay, right. We'll check back with some niceness in a bit.
In a bit.
All right, J-tape man. Oh, it is nice and warm in here, mate. What we doing?
Basically all up, as you can see.
Oh, that's a really interesting colour already, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll just check the colour. I'm going to spray out.
Yeah.
Here's my spray out down here. Look. Obviously, we've cambered it. It's come up with a match. And really, we have to check it. We can't just sort of rely on it. That's what it's given us. That's why I've just been checking that against the corner of the bonnet there.
Beautiful.
And it looks really good. The only way you get it better if you blend in all the other panels.
Sure.
But obviously, it's wing blend into the door, so everything will match. Or,
Excellent.
The best you can. So that's dry. I think that looks quite nice.
Yeah, it's a nice colour. It's a really nice colour, just like that.
Yeah. So now we're just going to lack it.
Okay.
Put some shiny on, 2 coats.
Shiny, here we go.
Here we go.
Here comes the magic. Beautiful.
And hopefully what you've got there is, you've got your new colour here, your old colour here, it blends here, look, you can see where the colour fades away, so that matches that still matches that, and it fades in the middle somewhere.
Beautiful.
But hopefully you won't even notice.
That's because it is magic.
Magical.
Stunning. Oh wow, that already looks amazing. Hoorah! Right, we'll check back in a bit, maybe on assemble.
Yeah, obviously that's one coat. Give it 10 minutes, give it another coat, make it. We'll see you tomorrow when we fit it back on.
Fantastic. All right, we'll check back with you in a bit.
Try not to scratch it.
No, I know, yeah. All right, mate. Okay, so the end of this Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video, this Fiesta St has been completed. As you well know from the start of this video, it had a bit of a dented wing, but now it's looking absolutely fantastic. It's also had a couple of tyres whilst it was here. So Keith, come on, it's had some front alloy refurb. And then a couple of tyres. It's had a new wing from Ford, hasn't it?
Yeah, genuine wing.
And then
That fits lovely.
and then you've put your magic touch on it, haven't you?
Sprinkled some paint around it. And,
Sprinkled some paint around it.
And that's it, ain't it?
Yeah. Well, I tell you what, the bit we've done looks absolutely amazing, mate.
We tried our best, didn't we?
You always try your best, brother. You always try your best. And like we always say, satisfaction guaranteed.
Or your dented wing back.
Can he have his dented wing back?
Can I have it back? It's outside. It's outside if you want.
Excellent. And we are keeping one of the tyres for him as well, so he's got a spare. But yeah, beautiful, man. Absolutely stunning. Looks great. So
If you need a touch-up?
if you need a touch-up, come down here. Uncle Keith will touch you straight up. He's getting a bit of reputation for for it. But excellent. That's another great video in the bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We'll see you on the next one, which is a sneaky peek. Should we do a sneaky peek in the next video?
Yeah, we should do. Yeah.
We'll do a sneaky peek. All right, let's pan round. And there's the project for next week.
And there's Rich as well.
And Richard's in there somewhere. I don't know what he's doing. Do you want to say hello, Rich? No. Catch you on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.